Good morning, children. We have already discussed about the three developments in the transition period. First is Renaissance, second is Voyages of Discovery. Now we will discuss about the Renaissance. Renaissance began in Italy in around the 14th century. It ushered the modern period in Europe. Scientific methods of inquiry became popular in this age. This was the age of reasoning, questioning, observation. In this age, the authority of the church was challenged. People were asked not to follow the church blindly. They were encouraged to judge things on the basis of reasoning rather than superstition. The movement spread to other parts of the world through trade and other means. Roman Catholic Church opposed the new spirit of inquiry. This movement was called Reformation. It paved the way for reforming the church. Reformation movement was a religious movement which became popular in Europe in the 16th century. The age of Renaissance started reflecting its architecture, literature, new scientific discoveries and inventions with its distinct elements of humanism, realism, new spirits of reasoning, rationalism and scientific inquiry. All these factors contributed strongly in changing the outlook of the European people towards life forever. Due to all these changes, people became rationalist unlike earlier times. Leaving aside their previously held old religious beliefs, they now adopted the more pragmatic approach towards life. They now believed and accepted facts based on rational thinking. Therefore, they also began to question the authority of the church, which wanted to hold on to its belief and discourage the system which could revolutionize the thinking of the people. It was not in favor of encouraging new spirits of rationalism and scientific inquiry in everything. Due to all these reasons, rationalist scholars rejected the teaching of Catholic Church and refused to accept its authority blindly. They used reason as a yardstick to judge what was true and what was false. The invention of the printing press and political, social, and economic uncertainties in life infused the general feeling of revival. With the invention of the printing press, people became aware of the new diversified ideas through the medium of books, newspapers, which became easily available. These pictures, are you marking? This printing press and Renaissance art, this. So this was helpful in raising their intellectual level as they begin to understand things on reasoning rather than blindly following traditional ideas. The invention of printing press was a powerful factor in the spread of Renaissance. Voyages were an important factor in modern period in Europe. Many sailors and explorers from Europe undertook several voyages to different parts of the world and discovered new lands which were far off from Europe. Vasco da Gama and Christopher Columbus were famous explorers who discovered sea routes to the East and America. Vasco da Gama discovered India, Christopher Columbus discovered America. As a result of the discoveries of new land, Europeans established their colonies, and within a short period of time, many towns grew and prospered as a result of the trade relations with the industrialized and developed nations. Merchants in Europe and other parts of the world were also benefited from this trade as they early acquired the raw materials which was required for their industries for the manufacture of different kinds of products. Then Reformation. Roman Catholic churches began to lose their importance during 1400 and 1500. As a result of the taking place in Europe, internal disputes and abuses in many religious practices and rampant corruption also weakened the churches in these times. In the meantime, many European kings increased their power and challenged the authority of the Pope. The leaders of alleged that the churches neglected their responsibility, began to lose confidence in the church leaders. It began as a religious movement in the 16th century, which was called the Reformation movement. It brought many changes in the Roman Catholic churches and led to the birth of the Protestant church. In this age, several leaders criticized the Roman Catholic Church. This process started as a Reformation movement by German theologists. To the German theologist Professor Martin Luther, who became the first reformer of the church. In due course of time, the followers grew in numbers. They criticized the Catholic churches severely and soon broke off from their authority completely. In a period of about 40 years, Reformation movement led to establishment of Protestant churches in nearly half of Europe. Protestantism became popular in the northern regions of Europe. So Martin Luther was the first religious reformer who largely contributed in bringing forward the malpractices in the clergy. He was firmly against the normal practice of the seniors to offer churches a sum of money as a repentant amount of sins. His progressive ideas in religious affairs won him many followers. In due course of time, he began to alert the church officials about their good work such as or giving charity were enough for obtaining salvation. According to him, man is saved only if he has faith in God. According to him, true devotion rather than display of ceremony and ritual is reach God. Then voyages and discoveries. Vasco da Gama and Bartholomew were Portuguese sailors. Diaz southernmost tip of the dark continent Africa. In 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut on the west coast. This was the discovery of a new sea route to India. Christopher Columbus, 1451 to 1508, was an Italian sailor who was helped by Isabella and explored a new sea route to the east. He traveled through the Atlantic Ocean, West Indies 1992. He did not realize that he had discovered a new continent, and he called the people Indians. Ferdinand Magellan, 1460 to 1521, was a Portuguese navigator. He was convinced that the world was round. He sailed through the Atlantic, reached the Pacific Ocean, went through the southernmost point of South America, and reached the East Indies in 1519 AD. His ship Victoria completed the voyage round the world. Industrial Revolution started in England in around 1750 as a result of several important changes which 1640 to 1660. This period is referred to as a period of English Revolution, which resulted in strengthening of the power of government and limiting the authority of the monarchy. So this revolution gave the power to the traders and businessmen who now took hold of the English Parliament instead of monarchy. Due to this reason, rapid economic progress began in this period under the monopoly of traders, which gave rise to industrial revolution in Britain. Apart from traders' monopoly, there were which led to the industrial revolution in England in the 18th century. Natural resources such as coal and iron, which were mainly required for the development of the industrialization, were available in the abundance in England. As a result, a large number of people could easily find work in the newly established factories of England. Due to the expansion, the British, with a strong navy, colonized many countries in this period. Colonization established England to acquire cheap raw materials. They dumped their finished goods in the annexed colonies and derived huge profits from them. Improved transportation systems such as construction of canal, roads also helped England in rapid industrialization along with its spirit of scientific inquiry. Around 1750, the factory system, which used machines to increase production of goods, replaced the domestic system in which the artists worked at home with simple tools. Under the factory system, rich merchants set up factories and newly invented machines were installed which helped by utilizing crude materials brought from the market and employing workers. This development gave rise to the Industrial Revolution in England, which later on spread to the other parts of Europe and the world.